Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 11, 2024, 5-star Sudoku. Column A, column I, second grade, column F, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G and first row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I, 6th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one number remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Ninth row, column I, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, only one numbers remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 5, 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column H and 9th grade, only one numbers remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 8th grade. The remaining numbers we will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, column F, fourth row and fifth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the, 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 1, 5. Column E is 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, only 1 numbers remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 8, 4, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. Column A, we have 2, 1, 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, only 1 number remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. 7th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7th grade and 7th row, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then in column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First grade and column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first row, only 1 number remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Second grade and second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.